Hello, I'm John Kreitler. Welcome to the Macro Minute, the economy and the markets. As 2024 begins and we're rapidly approaching the second half of this decade, the question remains, are the disinflationary trends that began in the 1980s going to reemerge after COVID? Or did COVID start the process of a new secular trend? By that I mean the globalization that was ushered into the 1980s brought cheaper labor and offshoring. There was more cooperation that culminated into China's inclusion to the World Trade Organization in the year 2000. Now, after 2008 to 2009 great financial crisis, and then COVID, there seems to be a geopolitical environment globally in which there's now two poles: North America, Western Europe, China and its satellites. Tariffs, onshoring, taxes, increased inflation due to a lack of labor within the onshoring. These are all trends that started with COVID and are continuing to persist. The question is, are those trends now going to take firm place even after COVID, or are we going to revert back to the disinflationary trends through globalization? Globalization on one side, onshoring on the other side, cooperation throughout the industrialized nations, including the World Trade Organization on one side, and on the other side, a bipolar world where there'll be winners and losers, and not necessarily picking investment areas globally for multinational corporations, not just because of cheap labor or low unit costs, but because of other geopolitical concerns. It'll be interesting to see how this all plays out in 2024. I'm John Kreitler. This was the Macro Minute. Have a great week.